Hello guys, welcome back to Loggery. I hope all of you are doing great, all of you are fine and safe. आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर TS Law CET 3 years LLB in 1 month from 0. सो TS Law CET का जो एग्ज़ाम है वो आपका 6 जून को है. अभी भी टाइम है, यू कैन प्रिपेयर वेल फॉर द एग्ज़ाम एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शेयर द टाइम टेबल. तो आई एम गोइंग टू share the syllabus of the exam, then we're going to talk about the books from wherein you should study, and then we're going to talk about the timetable of this for this exam that you should follow. TS Law CET के 3 years के अगर आपको मॉक टेस्ट चाहिए तो आप कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं, मैं मॉक टेस्ट ले आऊँगी. अब यहाँ पर so the paper is divided into 3 parts. The part A consists of 30 questions carrying 30 marks each, general knowledge and mental ability. Part B consists of 30 questions of 30 marks each, current affairs. And part C consists of 60 questions, of which 50 questions are going to be from legal aptitude and 10 questions are going to be from the reading comprehension part. Okay, so now let's understand how to prepare for this exam from the timetable itself. In case you want to see detailed videos about this exam, that is the syllabus and the books that you need to follow, then you can go through the playlist. I will leave the link of the playlist towards the end of this video. 6th to 10th May. So basically you have to ensure that these topics are your target for 5 days, for 3 days, whatever I have given you the target in the timetable. So starting with Indian Constitution, for Indian Constitution I have given quite some time because we do have those many days. So by 31st May you will be very easily able to cover the syllabus. So the slots that are free should be used for revision because revision is really helpful and for solving the mock tests. Okay. So for Indian Constitution, you can go for our course that is available. The link is in the description box. You can go for our course wherein I've explained all the important topics through lectures. And I've also given you most expected MCQs, tests and chapter-wise MCQs have been provided. And chapter-wise single line questions have also been provided for Indian Constitution. In case you don't want to invest in our course, you can go for Universal's book from wherein you can cover your theory as well as MCQs. Right? For reading comprehension, you can go for any book that is available. If none is available, you can go to a local bookstore and buy any reading comprehension book of the banking level and you can solve the questions from there. Next is your static GK, that is science, international organization, awards, geography, computer, space and technology, history, important first, important days. For your static GK, the level of questions is quite good. So I'm going to recommend that you go for Arihan 2750 plus Lucent's MCQs to ensure that you're able to solve most of the questions in the exam. Next topic is coding, decoding, classification, blood relations, number of triangles, assertion, reason, analogy, series, number ranking, sequence. For this, I would recommend that you go for Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. This book is a good book, so you can go for this one. And for current affairs, that is your January, February current affairs, March, December, October, November, August, September, June, July. So you need to cover your current affairs from June till the month of the exam, that is June 2024 till June 2025. Like for May you need to cover because 6 days of June you don't require to cover those current affairs from 1st to 6th June. You can cover till your end of May, right? For this you can go for our video lectures. Video lectures are really good. These are lectures that consist of 7 to 8 hours of duration and you are able to cover the entire month in these 7 to 8 hours. So yeah, they are worth investing. You can also invest in our June to April, that is June 2024 to April 2025 bundle, which is available for just rupees 1500. It's completely worth it. You can also go through our demo lecture that is available. You click on any of the months link and you will see in the features there is a demo lecture. Also to ensure that you are able to make good use of these lectures, I have given a playlist again given in the features. You can go ahead and watch the playlist so that you know how to make the best use of these lectures. Next is landmark judgments, legal terms and maxims, torts and contracts, criminal law plus acts. For landmark judgments, I'm going to suggest that you go through my YouTube video that is available on Loggery YouTube channel. For legal terms and maxims, you can go through loggery.com. We have 2 PDFs. You can download them and ensure that you learn each one of them. And you can also go through 2 videos that are available on our YouTube channel. For torts, contracts, criminal law, and acts, I'm going to recommend that you go through a book called LA and LR by Willie. That's a good book, and you have enough time to go through these books, so you should ensure that you go through these books. Right, so this is how you can prepare for this exam. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the comment section, and you can also DM me on Instagram. I'm there by the name I'm Lockery. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, then do hit the like button also. Thank you and bye bye.